Desmond Thompson, Scott Jennings and Sammy Depass were some of the standout performers at the National Powerlifting Championship held recently at the AC Hotel. The one-day event saw a relatively large turnout. More in this report.
Fans came out in their numbers to see the strongest athletes in Jamaica battle for top spot, and Desmond Thompson, Sammy Depass and Scott Jennings didn't disappoint. Champion of the 120-plus kilogram category, Thompson said he came into the meet ready to deliver.
I had it planned. It was actually above expectation. I planned to come in and squat 615, and I did. I had planned to bench press 415, and I surpassed that. And I had planned to come and deadlift the it was 715 I had planned. And I ended up deadlifting 719.8, so it was good.
Jennings, who has continued to defy the odds despite his health condition, won the top male award, amassing 103.56 points.
So I decided to move from the 83 kilogram weight class to the 93 kilogram weight class because I was realizing it became very difficult to prepare for the 83 kilogram class. I couldn't eat as much food as I can now. With my diabetes, it became very difficult the days before, where sometimes my blood sugar would get low and I would have to eat, and that would result in me not making weight, and it was becoming very stressful for me. So I decided, okay, let me just go up 93 kilograms and see what I can do there.
And defending champion Depass won the female title with 107.36 points, failing only on her final lift, where she attempted a massive 235 kilograms or 518 pounds for the deadlift.
So it's kind of a bittersweet feeling when you fail any lift, right? I mean, you work so hard, you really hope for the best, but it just wasn't there today. And as we always say, today for you, tomorrow for somebody else. So guess what? Today was clearly not for me in that regard, but I will consider today a success because I learned a lot of things about my competition style. I learned a lot of things about perseverance, and that's really what matters most for future competitions, not just this one.
25 competitors were in action. This was the third staging of the National Powerlifting Championship since the NPAJ's inception in 2020.